Welcome to this recently updated single-family home in the highly sought-after Verona Walk community of Naples. Featuring breathtaking long lake views and an expansive extended patio, this home is ideal for outdoor living and entertaining. Verona Walk is a guard-gated community offering exceptional amenities at its vibrant town center. Residents enjoy access to a resort-style pool, lap pool, tennis and pickleball courts, a fully equipped fitness center, bocce ball, meeting rooms, an on-site gas station, and much more. The recently renovated kitchen features high-end appliances for a modern and luxurious cooking experience. The bathrooms showcase newer vanities, updated flooring runs throughout the home, and the interior was recently painted for a clean, modern look. The expansive patio is perfect for entertaining and enjoying the beautiful Florida weather. This home has served solely as a vacation retreat since its purchase and updating just a few years ago. Schedule your showing today before this stunning home is gone.